Hi, everyone. I'm Stacy Bresler, Managing Partner at Archer Energy Solutions, and welcome back to another On Target with Archer. Today, we're tackling a topic that is always evolving, emerging cybersecurity threats and critical infrastructure. And we know this. In our field, the threats are constantly changing. There's new tactics, advanced malware, and evolving attack strategies. So staying informed is key. But just knowing about these threats, it isn't enough. To truly stay ahead, you need to be proactive. You have to have a proactive approach that includes continuous monitoring, threat intelligence, and collaboration with partnerships. Start by leveraging some real-time threat intelligence from trusted source, and these can be from government advisories, industry alerts, or threat sharing platforms like the ISAC or MSISAC or even the FSISAC. These kind of intelligence gives you a clear picture of the latest threats facing the critical infrastructure sector and helps you adapt before they become a direct risk. So next, you want to engage in regular training and exercises. Simulated attacks and tabletop exercises aren't just drills. They're actually essential tools for keeping your team sharp and ensuring everyone knows their role in response. Plus, these exercises reveal any potential gaps in your defenses so you can strengthen them before a real incident occurs. And remember, collaboration is crucial. Work with your industry peers, cybersecurity experts, and regulatory bodies to share knowledge and best practices. The more we pool our experiences, the better equipped we are to face emerging threats head on. So staying ahead of cybersecurity threats isn't just about being reactive. It's about being prepared, informed, and united. Together, we can create a resilient defense that's ready for whatever comes next. Thanks for joining me on Target with Archer. I'm Stacy Bresler. Stay vigilant, stay connected, and let's keep critical infrastructure secure. See you next time.
Don't miss out on any of our insightful content. Hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay informed whenever we release new videos. For top-tier security solutions, Archer is your trusted partner. Explore our offerings at archerint.com and get in touch via email or phone to fortify your company's defenses. Your questions drive our content. Leave them in the comments below and join us every Monday for a fresh episode of On Target with Archer.